Hey guys, I'm back with another video while I'm in the mood to make these. I figured I'll knock a couple out. This was a very long ago requested video, so I apologize because I've been slacking on my YouTube. This is a comparison between the Saint Laurent medium, medium collage bag and the Saint Laurent medium soft envelope bag. They are comparable in size. This one is obviously bigger. This is in gray or anthracite with ruthenium hardware. And this one is in black with ruthenium hardware. I don't know what kind of leather this is. I did get it brand new on eBay, and it didn't come with the original tag, but it did have the receipt and everything. This one I also got on eBay, but, and this one also had the receipt now that I think about it, but I don't know what kind of leather it is. It comes with the cards and stuff. I store mine stuffed, so both of these are stuffed. Oh, I do have the chain off. This is how it sits on my shelf back there. The shoulder strap or the crossbody strap is removable, and I just take it off and put it inside. So let's do a comparison here. The length of this one is about 9.25 inches. The height is 6. In the width, it's hard because it's smushy. I'd say the width is about 3, 2.5, 3. This one is a little smaller, but it does fit. I don't know if it fits the same amount of stuff. We'll see. This is the same length, about 9, or the other one's 9.25, so the other one's a little bit longer. The height here is 5.5, and the width is 3. So let me open this one up. It has this little handle here, which I love and I do use. And here's the shoulder strap. Both of these are crossbody. I'm putting the shoulder strap on here so you can see. But the collage is only crossbody or a shoulder. You can't double the chain. Whereas the soft envelope has the double chain. So there's a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. Here's the length of the straps. It's basically the same length. They both have a back pocket, which I love because my cell phone fits in there really great, and it just works out good. So I have done a review and updated wear and tear on this. It's held up nicely. It has this little pocket here and a tiny little slip pocket that fits like a credit card back there. So I'm gonna put stuff in here and then see if the same stuff can fit in here. So I emptied out my current purse, and I'm just gonna put what I would carry on an everyday basis, my wallet. The Chanel card holder, the XL with the back pocket, can fit up and down lengthwise too. So there's that. I got tissues, a compact, my mirror, my very large eye drops, keys, a nail file. I can put some stuff back here. Metro card. I can fit more stuff in here. So let me put a lipstick. Let me put like another compact just to show you what else can fit. And my sunglasses. So I have it pretty stuffed. You know, I could fit a couple small items back here still if I wanted to. But this is pretty stuffed. It is a magnetic snap closure. And then my cell phone would still easily fit back here. So this is it. I'm 5'3", about 120. I don't carry it usually on my shoulder because it's a little long. So for me, this is strictly a crossbody bag, which is my favorite kind of bag. I like being hands-free, especially because I live in New York City and I have to walk everywhere. I do occasionally carry it by its handle like this. I just think it's cute. You know, if I'm in the mood to have my hands occupied by a purse, I might carry it like that. I love this leather. It's very durable, very smooth. It's smushy, but still has a shape to it. I did do a wear and tear on this, so you can check that video out. There's a little bit of discoloring along this edge here, rubbing from, you know, I use this bag a lot because I love it. So there's that. Now let's see if all this stuff can fit into the soft envelope. I don't think everything could fit. So here's the soft envelope bag. Let me pull this. These chains do kind of get annoying because they don't go through all the way because of the shoulder parts. But I do love the length. This is my favorite length. This is the same length as like on my reissue bag, where it's a longer shoulder drop and you can wear it crossbody. The Chanel medium classic flap can't go crossbody, so it's shorter. And I actually like that one single chained over the shoulder. So this, I keep all my bags stuffed. It still has the blue protective sticker on it. I've used this a ton. I love this bag. I think for the price point, it's way better than a Chanel classic flap. There it is, I said it, because it can be crossbody and it's half the price. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put everything, well, let's see what we can fit. So my card holder or wallet, let's see if it can fit lengthwise. It can go lengthwise. So it does fit that way. Let me get all this stuff out. Oh, I didn't put anything in that pocket, but anything flat would have fit in there. All right, so let's see if I can fit everything. My tissues, a couple compacts. Yeah, I think you can. It's a tighter fit, but this bag's a lot more compact and has less pockets, but look at that. Everything does fit just barely. Now I could fit more stuff in the medium collage bag, just a few small items more, but that was it. Let's see if this buttons. It does have a magnetic snap, and it does, it closes, and I would be able to put my phone back there still, but this is packed to the fullest. So this is about as full as it gets. So this is it, double chained on me, which I do wear it like this. And this is it, crossbody. And I also wear it like this a lot. It's very comfortable to wear crossbody, both of these, because of this, you know, these shoulder straps. So I guess in conclusion, both of these bags are very comparable. Even though this one is taller, it is slightly bigger than this one. They hold just about the same amount. You could get a few more lipsticks and smaller items in here than you can here, but they're great for me for everyday wear. This is my favorite size bag. Most of my bags are mediums, and I guess it just depends on if you want to wear it doubled up on your shoulder, because like I said, this one you can't. This is strictly a crossbody bag or a little handheld bag. That's one thing, is you can handhold this one. You can't handheld this. This is a shoulder bag or a crossbody. So that's my comparison between the Saint Laurent medium collage bag and the medium soft envelope bag. If you guys have any more questions, just feel free to ask me in the comments below. Thanks for watching.